is the loudest exhaust setting, which I'm trying to figure out something. I'm not sure. I know this car could, you know, pop sometimes, but I'm trying to see if it could just do it on demand in track mode. You know, it's not going to be like a Lamborghini Huracan where it just goes pop, pop, pop. It does it sometimes. Sport exhaust and track exhaust is sport exhaust is more raspy a little bit, and this is track is more of a deeper tone. So that's the difference. Sometimes I actually do like sport exhaust better. You can pause it. This is sport exhaust, sport mode. Okay, now we're going to go to quiet exhaust. Now you can't really even, you can hold a conversation no problem, and it's super quiet. Oh yeah, I can't even hear it. Wow, it's so quiet, it's a joke. Alright, so we're gonna go back into track. Now we're in automatic. Very beefy sounding in track. It's hard to floor the car on the street because it's so fast. It's, you know, I don't want to spin out or, you know, go too fast. Like when I had the Scat Pack, you could floor it and get away with it all the time. This car is a completely different animal. You can't do that with this car. He got scared. That didn't feel that fast. That was regular mode. And we was on regular exhaust. So, okay. Oh my gosh, wow, this car holds itself back big time. It was still fast though, with traction on and everything. I'm trying to do a quick, one more pull real quick before we end the video. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.